Do you want to decorate your bathroom for a holiday? We'll share a few smart ideas of candy-shaped bathroom decor. What about a chewing gum toilet paper holder? Why not? Take out all wipes from the box. Mark the slit. Cut it out with a craft knife. Open the box from the other side. Trace the top on white paper. Cut it out. Attach to the bottom. Cover the box with white acrylic paint. We'll imitate the Wrigley's Double Mint package. Better have a pack of chewing gum at hand or an image before your eyes. You can find it on the internet. Outline an arrow. Draw 2 lines to make a shaft. Add a head. Make another head on the other end. Write the brand name. You can print out the logo instead. Paint the box green. It'll be the background. Leave the arrow white. Cover the sides with a basic color. Add a dark red detail. Paint the arrow deep green. Be careful to leave the letters white. The base is ready. Let's add some details. Paint little red arrows on the sides. Repeat for the other side. Add the lettering on the top and bottom of the central arrow. Use a red pen. Mention the piece's quantity with the black pen. Write it in the same place that it's on the original pack. That's enough of painting. Now the package is just like the giant chewing gum. Attach double-sided mounting tape to the bottom. Put in toilet paper. Fasten the holder on the wall. Secure the top with a push pin. Pass the paper through the bottom slit. It's unusual and cheap. Do you like marshmallows? Make the candy-shaped garland to light the mirror. We've got an LED tube package. Cut out a piece of about 3 inches to make a lampshade. Tape it in a spiral. Paint it pink. Remove the tape. Make the necessary quantity. Take an LED garland. It won't heat. Pass it through the lampshades. Done! Hang the garland around the mirror. A number of cute marshmallows will decorate your bathroom and give